Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're out here doing a custom spreading job. We spreading some goat manure all over this field. And yeah, hopefully this goes smoothly. So here we go. So the plan is to mix some wood ash in along with some of this goat poop, and we're going to be using some of this up until we get up to the wood ash, and then we're going to be mixing some of the wood ash with next year's stuff over there.
That is the wood ash right there.
Got about a half to 3/4 worth of another load of that stuff right there, and then we're going to be putting some wood ash in and dumping that load, and taking the rest of the wood ash, dumping it in with the rest of the new stuff right there. Well, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.